This lavender smells much stronger in the morning sun.
I can definitely smell it from my side of the railing.
My name is Lily. I live in apartment 4B.
It is a pleasure to meet you. I am Justin.
Did you move in during the rainy evening yesterday?
Yes, the movers finished carrying the last box at midnight.
Welcome to our quiet and very friendly little building.
Thank you. I already feel very welcome here.
I see you have a lot of books in that large box.
I am a veterinarian, so most of them are about animals.
That is a very noble and interesting profession to have.
It can be very busy, but I love helping pets.
Do you have any pets of your own in there?
I have a ginger cat named Marmalade who is currently hiding.
I hope she likes the view from this high floor.
She's probably busy exploring the kitchen cabinets right today.
I have lived here for 2 years and I love it.
The neighborhood seems very peaceful and full of trees.
There's a great park just 2 blocks away from here.
I will have to take Marmalade there in her carrier.
She might prefer the birds that visit my flower pots.
I notice you have a real garden growing out here.
Plants are my passion and my way to relax.
I am afraid I don't have a very green thumb.
I can teach you some simple tricks to keep flowers alive.
I would appreciate any help you can give me, Lily.
First, you should buy some pots that have good drainage.
I will put that on my shopping list for the weekend.
I'm going inside to get some more water for these.
I should get back to unpacking my many heavy boxes. Excuse me, Lily, do you have a small screwdriver?
I actually have a whole toolbox right under my table.
I am trying to put this new bookshelf together.
Is the instruction manual easy to read or very complicated?
It looks like a puzzle designed by a crazy person.
I had the same problem with my wooden plant stand.
Here is the tiny screw that I need to tighten.
Take this red screwdriver. It has a very good grip.
Thank you so much. You are a lifesaver today.
Building furniture is much harder than it looks in photos.
I thought it would take me only 20 minutes.
It usually takes at least 2 hours and some patience.
I think I put the left side on the right.
Don't worry, everyone makes that mistake at least once.
The sun is getting quite hot out here on the balcony.
You are welcome to use the shade of my large umbrella.
That is very kind. The metal parts are burning my hands.
I am working on a new arrangement of white daisies.
They look very fresh and bright against the brick wall.
I think they will make the whole balcony look more cheerful.
I can finally hear the clicking sound of the screw.
Success is always a very satisfying feeling in the end.
I will bring the tool back as soon as I finish.
Keep it for the whole afternoon if you need it.
Do you need any help moving those heavy bags of soil?
I was wondering how I would lift them by myself.
I can jump over the low wall and help you.
That would be wonderful. My back will thank you.
I will be there in just 1 second, Lily.
Neighbors are definitely the best part of living here.
Oh, who is this handsome fellow on the railing?
That is Marmalade. She finally decided to be brave.
She has the most beautiful orange fur I have ever seen.
Be careful. She likes to chase the shadows of birds.
She is sniffing my lavender like she is a botanist.
She usually prefers the smell of canned tuna to flowers.
May I pet her, or is she a bit shy with strangers?
She's actually very friendly once she knows you.
Her purring is so loud I can hear it from here.
That means she officially approves of our new neighbor.
I have a small bowl of water she can drink from.
Thank you. She gets thirsty after her big adventures.
Does she stay inside the apartment during the night?
Yes, I always close the balcony door before I sleep.
It is safer that way with the city traffic below us.
She seems to be very interested in your blue butterflies.
Those are just decorative clips for the rose bushes.
She almost jumped on them a second ago.
I will move them to a higher spot where she can't reach.
Marmalade, come back to our side of the fence.
She is very agile for a cat of her size.
She thinks she's a tiny tiger in a giant jungle.
Every balcony should have a cat to look after it.
I think she found the very comfortable spot in the sun.
I will bring her a small treat from my kitchen.
You are going to spoil her very quickly, Lily.
Pets deserve to be happy and loved by everyone.
I agree. They bring so much life into our homes.
Here's a little piece of dried chicken for her.
She is definitely your friend for life after this.
The steam from your coffee smells like dark chocolate.
It is a special blend I found at the corner market.
I am drinking some herbal tea with honey and lemon.
Tea is perfect for a slow Sunday morning like this.
I've finally finished planting the seeds for the summer.
I can see the green sprouts starting to appear.
In a month, this whole wall will be covered in vines.
I am looking forward to seeing that transformation.
How is the bookshelf coming along in your living room?
It is standing perfectly straight thanks to your tool.
I'm glad to hear that my red screwdriver helped.
I spent the whole evening organizing my medical journals.
Do you ever get tired of reading about animal health?
Never. Every day there's something new to learn.
I feel the same way about the world of botany.
We're both very dedicated to our chosen fields.
Would you like a piece of my homemade apple cake?
I would never say no to a slice of apple cake.
I used the cinnamon that you recommended last week.
Cinnamon makes everything taste much more cozy and warm.
I'm passing the plate over the railing to you.
This looks like it came from a professional bakery.
Baking is my second favorite hobby after gardening.
You have a lot of talents, Lily. I'm impressed.
I just like to keep my hands busy with creative things.
It makes the apartment feel like a real home.
Exactly. A home is built with love and small details.
I am starting to feel very settled here in 4C.
We should celebrate your first full week in the building.
Coffee and cake on the balcony is a great celebration. The wind is picking up and the sky is turning gray.
Oh no, my tall lilies are going to fall over.
I am coming over to help you move the heavy pots.
The rain is starting to fall very fast and cold.
Let's put the most fragile flowers under the awning.
Thank you. I can't lift this ceramic one by myself.
Watch out, the floor is getting very wet and slippery.
I have a firm grip on the other side of the handle.
1, 2, 3, and we lift it to the corner.
That was the last one. We did it just in time.
The thunder is very loud. I hope Marmalade is okay.
She's probably hiding under your sofa right now.
Your hair is completely soaked from the rain, Lily.
I don't mind a little water as long as my plants are safe.
You are very dedicated to your little green friends.
They depend on me for protection and care every day.
I have a large umbrella we can use to get back inside.
Let's stay under the roof for a moment and watch.
The city looks very different through the wall of rain.
It feels like we are in a private bubble of safety.
The sound of the water on the roof is quite peaceful.
I'm glad I wasn't out here alone during the storm.
Neighbors should always look out for each other like this.
I will bring you a warm towel once we go inside.
I am fine. I'm used to getting wet at the clinic.
Still, a hot cup of tea would be good for both of us.
The wind is starting to die down a little bit.
Look at the lightning over the distant mountains.
It is a beautiful and powerful display of nature.
I'm glad everything is safe on our balconies. The air after the rain is so incredibly fresh and clean.
It is a perfect evening to eat dinner outside.
I ordered a large vegetable pizza for us to share.
The smell of the crust is making me very hungry.
I put some fresh basil from my garden on the top.
That is the perfect finishing touch for a pizza.
The sky is turning into a bright shade of purple.
I have never seen a sunset this beautiful from the ground.
This is why I love living on the top floor.
I am very glad I chose this apartment for my new start.
It was a very lucky day for me when you moved in.
I feel exactly the same way about meeting you, Lily.
Marmalade is sitting on your lap looking very happy.
She likes the sound of the city waking up after the rain.
We should plan a visit to that park next Saturday.
I would love to go and see the botanical section.
I can show you the rare roses they have there.
And maybe we can find the nice spot for a picnic.
I will handle the sandwiches and the cold drinks.
I will bring the blanket and my camera for photos.
The stars are starting to appear in the dark sky.
Everything feels very peaceful and right tonight.
Thank you for being such a wonderful neighbor, Justin.
Thank you for the lavender, the cake, and the friendship.
I think this is the start of a very long story.
I am ready to see how our gardens grow together.
I will give you a small rose bush to start your own.
I promise to take very good care of it every day.
I have a feeling you are going to be a great gardener.
With a teacher like you, I have no doubt about it.